known for producing high-end sports trackers, both smartwatch and Smartband, Makibes, always surprising the market with the best tech at affordable prices, just unveiled its new line of products for 2018. One of the latest product is the Makibes G03S, a smartband with GPS capabilities and an old-school feeling. Let's get into it. The Makibes G03S is well padded in a translucent black box with plastic cover provided. There are fitness tracker, power cable and user manuals, English and Chinese. The accessory has no surprises, everything is in order. The screen of the Makibes G03S, a rectangular design with two physical buttons on the side. It has a silicone strap that is also durable and with stainless steel buckle. The overall body is IP68, which is dust-proof and waterproof, making it ideal for swimming. The display screen is 0.96 inches LCD, but unlike other smartband in the market, the Makibes G03S has an always-on display and pretty visible outdoors. The smartband is available in black, blue and red colors. This smartband is powered by Nordic 52832 SOC, which assures a great performance. Also the compatibility with Bluetooth 4.2 and Global Position System chip. In addition to the independent GPS sensor, incorporates sensors of gravity, pressure, temperature and heart rate sensor. The heart rate sensor can work continuously to check maximum and minimum. Thanks to the multiple sensors and especially the GPS will allow us to monitor with more details sports such as cycling, allowing record routes, trajectories and speeds. We can synchronize the data captured by Bluetooth with the application available for your smartphone. The Atlas watch is available for Android 4.3, iOS 8.0 or higher. The connection between the fitness tracker and the smartphone can be established via Bluetooth 4.0. The app is translated more or less well in German and offers a few extras. The whole thing is not really outstanding, though, it's pretty minimalist. After all, it is cool that you can also activate push messages, for example. But you cannot really read these. In the case is a firmly built 230 mAh battery housed, according to the manufacturer. For 5 days of standby time is enough. With the GPS enabled, there are only 6-7 hours. The clone is talked about 20 days of standby time, and this value comes much closer to the performance that I found in the test top. I also have a positive feeling that the charging cable snaps onto the strap and is not secured with magnets, as with many other fitness trackers. So overall, in my opinions about this smartband is a few points are very good, but it depends mainly on what you are looking for in a fitness tracker. The Mi Band 2 offers the standards and at a very small price. It is super comfortable on the wrist. The G03S, however, has a lot more features and many would probably access alone because of the continuous pulse measurement. What unfortunately negatively striking are the confusing menu, the comfort, and the price. All in all, this is definitely a solid fitness tracker. If the price still drops and the app is somewhat pimped up, the Makibes G03S could serve as an alternative to Mi Band 2 for one or the other.